everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is B Page, of course. Well guys, kung baguhan man kayo sa channel na to, huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-hit ang bell para naman kayo ma-update sa mga videos na in-upload ko. Well guys, gagawin po natin ng reaction itong isang SB19 na si Stella Ahero at si Mr. David Foster sa kantang All By Myself. Nako, napakahirap ng kantang to guys. Well, panoorin po natin and let's straight to the reaction. So ito na nga guys. Let's begin.
It's a true story. I actually said to her, hey, if you can't do it, there's singers next door that can do it. And actually Whitney Houston was in the other studio, but I didn't say her name. But anyway, it was all in fun. And Celine ended up hitting the note. And now we have these. Are you ready?
Wow.
Here we go.
Parang kinakabahan dito si Stella. Oh my God! Oh my God! Wow! Grabe.
Wow.
Napawaw si David, oh.
Wow, what a voice. And he's your very own. He's got a major career. Well, I think probably the only way that you can follow that voice.
Grabe. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Another great voice. Probably.
Grabe guys. Guys, hinawakan ko lang ito talaga.
My favorite
Phone ko kasi wala akong stand. So, pasensya na po. Grabe. Talagang hit niya yung G5 to E5. Wow, apakagaling niya. Lalo yung at the end, guys. To E5, to G5, to E5. At the end, oh wow, super, super. Beautifully, awesomely sung by Stell. Wow, talagang you are closer to Charis. Walang pinagkaiba talaga. Throwback from Charis. Walang ibang nakakanta niyan. Kundi ikaw lang at saka si Charis. Wow, napakahalimaw mo, Stell. Oh my God, Stell, talagang goosebumps ako sa iyo. Talagang tumatayo balahibo ko, guys. At hindi lang mo pagsalita ko na kasi pinapakinggan natin yung pagkanta ni Stell. Very clear. Ang linis na pagkanta niya. Yung birit niya, wow, napakagaling. Grabe. Grabe, bravo sa'yo, bravo sa'yo. Proud na proud ako sa'yo, Stell. Talagang apakagaling mo talaga. How to be you po, Stell, how to be you po. On the spot, talagang I've heard na walang rehearsal to eh. Talagang siguro nakitaan siya ni Mr. David Foster. Something extraordinary kay Stell. Kaya siya yung pinili niyang kumanta ng All By Myself. You know, All By Myself, guys, it's very hard to sing that song. Napakahirap kantahin niya. Grabe ka, Stell. You nailed it. Kuhang-kuha mo. Wow, very impressive. Impressed na impressed ako sa iyo. Oh my goodness. Talagang impressed na impressed ako sa iyo. Talagang overload talent. Wow. Napakagaling mo talaga. Napakagaling mo, Stell. Very spectacular. You did it. You performed it very, very well. Perfectly sang that song. Siguro kahit pagod ka na, talagang hindi ka lang makahindi kay Mr. David Foster. Wow. Talagang proud ako sa iyo dahil kahit sino namang Pinoy talaga all over this world, talagang sa kantang niyan, I really proud to you. Very, very proud ako sa iyo. Grabe. Talagang ang ganda ng pagka-deliver ng song mo eh. Ang ganda talaga eh. Wow, talaga. Yung sa G5 na yun, yung taas na. Parang hindi ko kaya. Yun, parang hihingalin ako. Hingalin ako sa kantang yun. Naku, pinakinggan kita. Parang, you know, I love to hear and hear and hear the way you perform this song, lalo na nung si Charis. Talagang inulit-ulit kong pinakinggan itong kantang na song. Na to, guys, I'm sorry. Talagang All By Myself. Talagang ang ganda na kantang to. Talagang very hard to sing that song, pero kuhang-kuha niyong dalawa. Ikaw lang tsaka si Charis na nakakuha nito. Wow, what a beautiful song. Talagang na-impress ako sa iyo. Lahat talaga ng tao talagang na-impress sa iyo. Talagang, ay grabe, sasabihin nila. Wow, nahanga ako sa kantang ito. You know, batang-bata pa lang kumakanta na. O diba? Yung mga ibang taong mga ganyan, talagang impressed talaga. Talagang dami mong napahanga, Stell. I'm very proud of you, Stell. So keep up the good works. Talagang isa pa din nakaka-proud dahil, you know, Mr. David Foster choose you or to pick you up to sing this an epic and hard to sing this among all great Filipino song. Talagang ikaw lang talaga ang pinili niya. He chose you because may nakita siya sa iyo, kakaiba. Wow. So, you did it and na-impress mo kami at lahat ng tao talaga napahanga mo. So, keep up the good works and God bless you always. Stay blessed and healthy. So, sana kumanta ka uli. So, just talagang I'm your avid fan still, you know. At hanggang dito na lang muli guys. At sana sana guys, wag nyo kalimutan i-click ang link down below guys, at wag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko guys. Please hit the bell button para naman po kayo ma-update sa mga videos na in-upload ko. So hanggang dito muli at magkikita tayo sa next reaction ko. Bye and God bless to everyone. So by the way guys, kung nagustuhan nyo man itong video na to, please give me a thumbs up. Goodbye. God bless.